Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com, as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Friday forecast update. The heat will continue as we head into the upcoming weekend here. Just a slight chance that we could see some rain on Saturday, and actually a slight chance that we could see maybe a few spotty showers today as well. Looking at your planner for today, we'll start out comfortably in the 70s. Another really quick warm-up, though, as we should be in the upper 80s by noon, and highs today likely winding up in the upper 80s and low 90s. I think most areas will find themselves a degree or two shy of where we wound up yesterday. Either way, it's still going to be just a very hot day today, as we'll be in the low 90s in most locations. But it is starting out comfortably. We'll be in the 60s and low 70s through at least 8:30 or 9 o'clock this morning. And your highs today, you can see a lot of areas dip into the 80s. I have Texarkana at 92. It's been the temperature every day so far this week, and I think that's likely where we'll wind up again today, and low 90s for Shreveport as well. Probably see a few more clouds this afternoon, which may help to shave a few degrees, and high pressure is breaking down a bit, so that will help us to cool off just a few degrees here. You can see the overall weather pattern. We have a little disturbance here in southeast Louisiana that's triggered some thunderstorms this morning. Southeast Louisiana and Mississippi. This little disturbance is going to continue to push towards us this afternoon, so we expect there will be some storms that pop up maybe closer to the Monroe area, but a few of those may actually wind up drifting into the Arklatex at some point during the afternoon today. Very low threat that we'll see any severe weather, but the Storm Prediction Center does have that marginal risk for severe weather being just a damaging wind gust that could occur here, and that basically includes Natchitoches, Bienville, and portions of Claiborne Parish as well. I'm not concerned about severe weather, but very well can see some spotty thunder showers out there later today. So going through time on your Robbins Toyota Futurecast, sunshine through the morning, and most of us just a partly cloudy afternoon. But you can see some of the rain that pops up here, potentially drifting in some of our easternmost parishes. And then interestingly, tonight you actually see a few thunderstorms popping up right along I-30. So if you hear some rain and thunder overnight, this is the reason why. But most of this will be gone on Saturday, and just a slight chance we'll see a few spotty showers in the afternoon on Saturday as well. Otherwise, that heat does continue through the weekend, but the mornings will stay comfortable. So if you want to do some outdoor things on Saturday, again, best time to do that will be in the morning. Same thing Sunday, and we'll actually dry out Sunday and heat up a few more degrees. So we settle into the mid-90s on Sunday, keeping it in the mid-90s for all of next week as well. So we could be pushing some record highs for much of next week. It's still looking promising with some of the forecast models that we will see a cold front come through next weekend. Again, that will probably provide us with a few days of relief, but a lot can change. We're still talking about something that's 7 to 9 days out, so we're hoping we can get a front in here to cool us a few degrees. Otherwise, until then, the heat will continue for much of next week.